Hi there, and welcome to Financial Rich Life. Have you ever thought about investing but felt like you needed a huge pile of cash to get started? Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. In fact, you can start investing with as little as $100. And today I'll show you exactly how to do it. Stick around, because this could be the first step to building your financial freedom. Before we dive in, let me quickly share why starting small is so powerful. Investing isn't just about the amount of money you start with. It's about building habits, learning the ropes, and letting your money grow over time. Even $100 can make a big difference when it's invested wisely. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, set your goals. First things first, ask yourself, why am I investing? Are you saving for retirement, a dream vacation, or maybe even your future home? Having a clear goal will help you stay focused and motivated. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step. And today your step is $100. Step 2, choose an investment type. Next, up deciding where to put that $100, don't worry. You have plenty of beginner-friendly options. Stocks. Investing in ETFs, like the S&P 500, is a great way to diversify with minimal effort. ETFs track the performance of top companies and are perfect for beginners. Bonds. If you want something low risk, consider government or corporate bonds. They're steady and reliable. Mutual funds. These let you pool your money with other investors and enjoy professional management. Micro-investing apps. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash make it easy to invest small amounts, even if you're a total beginner. Step 3, open an account. Once you've chosen your investment type, it's time to open an account. Most online brokerages and investing apps have super user-friendly setups, and you can get started in minutes. Just fill out your information, link your bank account, and deposit your $100. Easy, right? Step 4, research. Invest. Now comes the fun part. Investing your money. Take some time to research your options. For example, if you're looking at ETFs, check their past performance and expense ratios. Don't forget the golden rule: diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. With $100, you might start with a single ETF or a mix of stocks using a fractional shares platform. Step 5, monitor progress. Once you've invested, don't obsess over daily fluctuations. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Check in periodically to see how your investments are performing. But remember, the goal is long-term growth. Tips for success. Here are some quick tips to make the most of your $100. Automate small contributions. After your initial $100, consider adding 10 or 20 every month. Small, consistent contributions add up. Reinvest dividends. This helps your investment grow faster through compounding. Stay patient. The market can go up and down, but over time, it tends to grow. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's quickly cover some mistakes to steer clear of. Avoid overtrading or chasing trends. Stick to your plan. Watch out for hidden fees. Some platforms charge account or transaction fees, so choose wisely. Never invest without doing your research. Even with $100, make informed decisions. All right, now it's your turn. Download a micro-investing app. Deposit your $100 and take that first step towards a brighter financial future. It's not about how much you start with. It's about starting it all. Thanks for watching Financial Rich Life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's your investment goal for 2025? Can't wait to hear your stories. See you in the next video, where we'll talk about how to grow your first $100 into $1,000. Thank you.